Good morning. I'm here. The lake is, I get here like 6:15 in the lake. Beautiful view. Now I forgot my net. I set all my net here. Net over here. Now I set up my fishing pole already. Let's see what gonna happen. 2 pull down. One is power base. One is like jig. Well, let's see what gonna happen today. Couple people here. See you next. Have to be patient to fish trout. Mr. Dar come. ตรงนั้นแล้วนะช่องนั่นแหละไปช่องนั่นFishing with my brother. Came from Victorville. I mean Boston. I'm from San Diego. ตรงไหนตรงนี้เอาไว้ตัวนั้นอันหนึ่งกับตัวนี้อันหนึ่งไหนตัวไหนตัวนั้นมันกิน Now we got new place. It's showing all this around to the lake. We used to stay on the other side over there. Now we move around the lake to get another side. Let's see what happened. That side don't bite nothing. One pole, but not no fish. That side. This side, the water is pretty deep. Let's see what happened. Almost stayed up there like 2-3 hours. No bite. We moved down there. Wait! Let them. That's okay. Let the feet run. More action. Come on. Pick it up a little bit. It is big. Wow, they're knocking on me. Huh? This is a big one. Damn, that's a big one. Mắt thải còn muốn mắt thải vậy. Ready? Ooh, man, this fish fast, man. This fish go fast. Huh?
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a big. It's hard to get them. Huh? Where? 이쁜 나. Ready? Go! Yes! Damn, big fat one. Wait, get a lock with her. big fat one. Here, here, hold it. Maybe 5 pounds or 10 pounds. Hold on.
No yet.
We got 6.5 pounds. Yellow อะไรวะเฮ้ยเขาเรียกอะไร Lightning trout. Lightning trout. Big one, big one. Lightning trout. Lightning trout here, lake. Lakeอะไร
Hesperia.
Hesperia here in Victorville County.
Victorville, Hesperia ก็กระดูก
แล้ว another one. another one, baby fish. No, nó có dạy chứ. Này. Okay. Baby Rambo. Chắp pa anh ăn thử. Nè,ถ่ายกันอยู่เฉย 1 2 ยกขึ้นอีกยกขึ้นหนูเดี๋ยว 1 2 3ดูคิดดูมันมืดไปทางนี้ขึ้นยกขึ้น 1 2 3 Okay, another one. Where the fish? Relax. Yellow one or green one? Wait. Where the fish? Joy. Too fast, man. I don't like this net. I don't like this net. No good. Yeah, hold it. Hold on. Get this one. มาปากนะ
ปากอะไร
จับตรงนี้นะจับตรงเน็ตขึ้นเยอะเลยนะมันไม่อ้าปากเดี๋ยวไว้เถอะเนี่ย hold it. This a fish? Liver burger. This a fish. ไปบอกมันทำไมบอกมันเสียเวลาหาแดก Beautiful fish, Rambo.
เอาสายมาใส่ลูก
เอาไปใส่ซะคนเฮาบ่สนเนาะคนเฮาหลายตายยกขึ้นไวจะหายเลยเฮียไหน
ไปใส่อันนั้นอีก
คืนอีกแล้ว all the way in
เอาคีนได้
เอาหนังกูมั่งข้าง Big trout. Oh, what time is it? ชั่วโมงล่ะ Okay, right now it's 2 o'clock. We got like five rambo, 1 strike rambo. Nice. Lightning rambo. I think lightning or strike, whatever it's called. That's the first time I got. Okay, let's shut up the video a little bit and show you later on. Thank you. Now, lunchtime. Lunchtime. Mi nhắn đây này. Ôi. Lunchtime. Mi nhắn kín này. Ô. Miền chỗ spray khu bà hốc hay pôn liêu pôn anh này mấy nhằng này xin sạch cô sạch chịu bài tân áp pông tia trâu mỗi miền tiệt bia sân mà ngay ban phắc bia tầm muối nè enjoy Happy Christmas อยู่ที่หนองยังบ่ฮะลืมชื่อละ Hesperia Lake in Hesperia by Victorville County. Yeah, San Bernardino, Victorville, whatever. Maกิน A lot of people around. And down here, some couple people. Mở tray son. On. Pick it up. Okay, good. Miền tray thế rồi. Chiên tray máu vậy. Bye. Okay, xong pe nhắm bài son bạn. Bye bye.
Cái này drag có put củaกู2 thằng
พกพาไปกลัว
มันชูข้าว
เลือกเลยกับทูน่าแล้วตัวใหญ่เกิดเลยตัวใหญ่แล้ว Yeah. Give me a picture, okay? Hold on, ma. Let meจับ
Give him a picture.
ขึ้นมาเลย
Look like carp. Go down.
Look like carp. All right.
That's smart. I've seen multiple dudes lose these because they just rip out.
Yeah. Okay, there's one.
I'm actually gonna move it away from the water.
You come and check it. Wait, the lightning. What they call lightning?
Yeah, it's a lightning.
Wow.
Their actual name is
I thought it's yellow.
they're considered a palomino trout.
I call yellow.
Albino. No, go to this.
Is it albino? This one. Oh, that's that person's in, huh? You can go back in there.
I thought
What was
he got it early. I thought he alive. I want to release him, but he not
He probably could swim
not
away.
strong enough.
6 something.
6.5, I think. Baby, almost.
6'3".
6'3".
Yeah.
Wow.
So put him back on the stringer.
Yeah. He dead anyway.
You think so?
Yeah, it won't go nowhere.
Is there a bigger one? You caught bigger.
Last
Thursday, huh?
I caught 6'6", 6'8", I think, was his weight.
Yeah, I was on this tree. You caught like a basket.
We had a good amount of them.
Yeah.
I think our group ended with like 6 of them. Beat the next person by almost
What's your name again?
4 pounds. My name's Wyatt.
Why?
Nice to meet you, boss.
King.
Yeah, I told him. Came from San Diego.
You came from San Diego?
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
This is my second year in YouTube right now.
Oh shit, you do
Yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah. I put last year in there.
right here,
I got
Barcelona.
like
Oh, okay.
I'm from
I
San
come here
Diego.
when I get a chance.
Yeah,
Probably
we-
come back on Friday.
So we stock tomorrow. We stock every Thursday.
Yeah.
So if you want good, like I come Thursdays, best fishing is Thursdays usually, because then the 10% trophy rate that we have on normal stocks is normally caught on every Thursday.
Okay.
Which our 10% trophy rate is 3 to 8 pounds.
Yeah.
And then that 8 pounds, there's usually 9 pounders also in there too.
Okay.
And then also if you get lucky, like 2 weeks ago we did the lightning, which was 500 pounds of trophy, which is 3 to 8 pounds.
Okay.
Which so any lightning you catch is gonna be over 3 pounds. And we had a good
Got
catch that
trophy,
rate,
right?
yeah.
Not today, huh?
I think you're the only lightning on the board, but I've watched one other person lose another nice one.
Okay.
Yeah.
They were right down there on the thing. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, you all have a fantastic day.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, boss.
All right. Thank you. What time is it right now? Okay, 3 o'clock, 1 more hour. Let's see what happens. Huh? 1 more hour.
They're close at 6.
6 too dark already. Sunset right now. 3 o'clock sunset. Don't believe it.
Halfway, and then I leave too.
Beautiful day today. Okay. See you another 30 minutes. What's gonna happen? It's happened. Yeah, first fish. First fish for today. First fish for today, huh? Huh? That's a baby trout. Yeah, look one there. Yeah, baby trout.
เอาไปบ้านกับไปเอเรสมันอีกแล้วก็เปิดเพลงอีก
เปิดเพลงไม่ได้ด้วยนะ
ไปไร
เขาไม่ให้แต่เพลงแบบมาให้ร้องเพลงธรรมดาได้
มีแต่เสียง
ทำยากเนอะ YouTube เดี๋ยววันมันเขาไม่ให้
โน่แต่เพลงก็เข้าไปพวกเพลงเขาคำเพลง
เนี่ย
เขาบอกมิกมันนี่มัน
เขา copyright
นั่นแหละ
เพลงสดไม่เป็นไรหรอก
มีแต่ดนตรีนะ
เนี่ยมีคนร้องเลยไม่ได้บางเพลงก็โอเคบางเพลงก็ไม่ได้ แต่ YouTube เขาบล็อกแล้วเขาไม่ให้ใส่เพลงแต่เพลงตัวเองได้แต่เพลงหมู่โดยกระร้อง
จะเอาใส่ทำไมก็มีแต่
ต้องใส่เขาชอบมันสดๆเห็นไหมฝูงไอ้จัปนีจัปแพนเงียบจ้อย
ทำไม่พูดไม่อะไรจับทำนั่นทำนี่คนก็ดู
คนก็ชอบดูอย่างนั้น
เขาก็บอกว่าโอ้ fishing power bay not bad แต่ยังพูดไม่ต้องพูดก็ได้
พูดออกใส่
But you know, but you're
แค่
onto
เขียนใส่
something.
แน่นอน
What the water does
power bay
bring in is all that left over things like this. Really, really soft.
ต้องโต๊ะวันนี้บางทีมันกิน
So I usually like to freeze it first, make it a little more. They like it.
โต๊ะไม่ได้โล
Like I'm gonna
โต๊ะไม่ได้โลตามมาวนอยู่บนหน้า Adam na ba? Adam na.
It is.